Ulitin ulit.
Okay, third, press the machine.
Will shake.
Fourth, press the start button or on off button. Five, for trial, you can put some solid waste materials here. Volunteer Ryan, Paul, and Mark. Yes,
Solid waste ka. Gusto ko si Mark yung lalagay. Solid
you
ba?
can put it there.
Ikaw lang pa.
Then, no, meron din kayong party.
Ayun na lang yan. Okay, I point there. Ako there.
Okay.
No.
Later, wait.
Magic.
Okay, after you press this,
Not yet.
not yet, okay. Later. Ah, yes. Again. Okay, after putting the product here, wait until 3 to 5 minutes.
Nasa sabo.
Once you hear that sound, your product is already, you can get it. Tada! We have more. Yes.
May national bookstore sa
Okay.
Ilagay mo next mo.
After getting the product, the recycled materials, you can get the money on the left side of the machine for an award for having to segregate the waste to a proper way. You can get your money.
Yung handaan.
Where's the money? Where's the
For example,
So I'll put two things. Wow,
yes, we'll put two things, yarn
Ayan,
and
and this.
yes, what do you
Yeah.
want?
So press the...
Press the recycling button.
Hindi mo yan.
Okay na.
Ano?
Okay, after all
Tagal
that.
naman. Yung money na tayo. Folder na. Tagal naman.
Baka yung may dami. Oh my God.
Tada! You can get your
Hindi ko na lang naman. Okay, color. Yung ba?
Plastic cups. Okay, press the recycling
May
button.
version. Ice cream yung ba? Hello?
Okay.
Juice. Soft drinks. Coke.
Tada! Ang dami pera. Thank you, ma'am. Maganda yung machine.
So yung pera.
Gusto ko yung pera.
So, in case the machine become overheat or malfunction, all you need to, when you hear this sound, Thea, that's the sign that the machine become malfunctioning. Just press the emergency button. Then wait until 3 to 5 minutes to cool down and to cool down the system. And if you put something inside solid waste materials, just press restart and the things will go and then For more inquiries, just visit our website www.transparency.com.ph.